going on, co-rollers? This is Po Boy coming back at you. Thank you for stopping by the channel. First of all, I want to say hello to all the guys that are new, visiting us for the first time. Sorry about that. That's my phone. I'm a real person. Anyway, I want to say hi to all of you who's first time here. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the videos and hit that little bell so that way you're notified whenever one of our new videos comes out. Today we're going to be heading over to the track and get me out of my daily routine and start getting those creative juices going when it comes to racing and getting back into the build. Anyway, we've been working very hard on the Ugly Betty truck, and yeah, I was able to get everything torn apart, and we pulled the engine out, and I went ahead and started working on that engine. Now, what I mean by starting working on her, I'm not doing any big upgrades or anything like that. I did remove the fuel bowl, I removed the mechanical pump, I went ahead and exchanged the pedestal for a non-EBPV one. I also removed the EBPV valve from behind the turbo housing. Yeah, so we're basically making her e-fuel. We went ahead and changed the glow plugs to make sure it's got some fresh ones in there, and basically just cleaned her up a little bit over the top. Pretty soon I'll be starting on tearing the dually apart, and what I mean by tearing them apart is I'm the type of person who likes to remove the bumper, remove the headlight header, not delete, but remove the radiator support and all that, so that way it makes it a whole lot easier to take out and put in a new engine. It's not necessary, no, it's not necessary, but it will definitely keep me from making any mistakes. And when I be my desk, I don't want to ding something and bend it and then it looks horrible, and I'm gonna be looking at that for the rest of the time thinking, wow, I should have done that differently. So to avoid that, that's what I'll be doing on the dually. So we'll be taking out all the front and eventually pulling that engine out and swapping in the one that we pulled out of Ugly Betty. But anyway, we're heading over to the track. It's gonna be about a half-day event for me. I do have some prior arrangements, so this is going to be a quick visit over there, have a little fun, get to see some of the guys I haven't seen in a while since I've been off the race team. But yeah, let's see how it goes, and I hope you guys enjoy the small montage I'll be putting up, hopefully, okay? See you in a bit. home. We're finally home safe and sound. It was a very, very fun day out there. Let's call it half a day. It was great. We seen some records being broken, which is awesome. Granted, it was a gas day, you know, it was gasoline day, so nothing diesel going on. However, you know, the scene, being there, you know, with the racers, racing, seeing the fans, seeing everybody around definitely counts for a lot. It did give me that little extra push that I was needing to get those creative juices going when it comes to the build of the truck that we'll be putting up in the channel. However, it did start sprinkling at the time we cut, and we thought, oh boy, I hope it doesn't end the day, and it sure didn't. I was able there to see some of my good friends. I even saw Alberto Big Boost over there. Special hello to you. And he actually stayed there longer, and he was able to catch some great scenes later on that night, which you can find in his video, Alberto Big Boost. Alberto Big Boost, that's right. But yeah, we had a great time. We had some good friends. We were able to be there with Omar from ONJ Performance. You know, as you guys will see, I'll probably put a little piece of some footage that I took of his little booth. And you know, we really had a great time. We had a great time. My mind was going at 1,000,000 miles an hour. I was thinking about things that I wanted to do, things I haven't done in a while, and definitely gave me that extra push I was needing. So now, even though today's video was short, compact, and not really full of content when it comes to the diesel trucks, I do want to say that even though it wasn't diesel related, being there opens up a lot of doors. And what I mean by that is I get reacquainted with some people that I haven't talked to in a very long time due to my absence from the race scene. And eventually this will make more contacts, and I believe it was a great day. It was a really good day to do some networking and, you know, have fun at it. A special hello to Juanchi. He's the driver with the Sangre. That was that RX-7. He ran a 680. That is amazing numbers from the RX-7. That's the fastest stock chassis RX-7 running on the tracks. We also got to see the Soyan Racing with the Gasolina labels on the side. He ran a 571, which is an awesome number also. He's already got the record. Unfortunately, we learned later on that I had a call from a buddy of ours letting us know that the car burnt down. It caught on fire, and you know, luckily everybody's okay. No people were hurt, but that's a great investment. And when you're building a car, a lot goes into it. And I'm not talking about just the material things, but the effort that people put into it, their dream, their go-get, you know, their sweat, their tears, all that they put into it to see it just go up in smoke. It's kind of very hard to swallow. However, knowing those guys, they have a great team put together. They are very optimistic. They are very go-getter. So I know that eventually, pretty soon, we'll be seeing that car again, breaking some more records. So yeah, even though it's not all diesel, like I said, it really opens up the doors to able to meet more vendors. We're able to meet the track officials. We were able to meet, you know, other YouTubers, vendors that do offer some diesel products. Also, we were there with ONJ Performance, which it's always a pleasure to hang out with them guys. You know, Omar's a great guy, and his employees, they're just awesome people. So yeah, we had a great time there. We had lots of fun. We met a lot of people. We did some networking, and eventually this is gonna come back and help us in the future with our build, with our plans for the future in the channel. And you know, hey, why not have a fun day? I say a fun day at the track is better than any fun day at the office. Thanks again for stopping by the channel again. And I'm sorry it was a shorter video, but like I said, it's always fun. You know, it's always fun. We're always gonna try to bring a little something for you guys. And stay tuned because more videos are going to be coming up soon. We're going to be working on that dually, get it started. That way we could head over to Diesels in the Swamp. Let's not forget about that, guys. Diesels in the Swamp, February 23rd, 24th, and 25th. They're going to have a live concert going on. They're going to have dyno pools. They're going to have sled pools. They're going to have mud runs. They're going to have a little bit of everything for everybody. So don't miss out on that big event. I make sure I give a big shout out to Alberto Big Boost, O&J Performance, always keeping it right. The Neil over at the OAG, you guys keeping it real. I also want to send a big shout out to all the guys over there at the track, you know, that helped put this event together. It was great, had lots of fun. You guys always do an awesome job. Orlando Speed World, you guys rock, and I know you guys will be seeing from me soon again. And thank you. I really got to say thank you. So yeah, guys, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and hit that little bell for the reminders on the videos. And I'll see you next time. Stay tuned because there's a lot more to come, all right? Let the coal roll.